Hello, people. So, this is the solution for the Appwrite Hacktoberfest Hackathon 2024. So, yeah, this is the repository for the same. So, we created the first ever C++ SDK for Appwrite, which is basically built from scratch. So, basically, our main aim was to create something for the Appwrite community. And I mean, why not just give that premium privilege of Appwrite to the C++ developers, right? So yeah, as it says, unlocking SDK for C++ developers, and yeah, app right now speaks C++. So this SDK has, as of now, some limited functionalities, and it has some functions for creating database collections, documents, attributes, indexes, as well as retrieving user statistics and also management of storage and account health. So yeah, this is getting started, like how to get started with this SDK, use it in your C++ projects. Moving on to the folder structure, if we go to docs and if we go and read databases.md, we can see all the functions that we have created, and you can use them right away using the header file. I mean, importing the header file, right? So moving on, we also have health uh, related APIs all integrated. We also have storage and all. Okay, so moving on, like how did we create all this, right? So in the classes, I mean, in the include, there are necessary header files. So we included all those and defined all the functions here, and all the functions definitions are given in services in source. If you go to databases, you can see all the function like definitions and all is given here in this databases.c++ file. Moving on, I want to show how this basically works. So this is a full flow test that I created. So if I run this, I'll see that I can create account, create session, all this functionality. There are many functionalities, not possible to cover this up in this small video, but I am trying to cover up most of the things as possible. So handle creating account. So this will create a account in the Appwrite console. If I choose one, I'll create an account. You can see account is created. And if I go here and I'll go to auth section, I can see this test user is created right now. Okay, if I move on and I want to create a session, this is the same thing. Using the same credentials. So yeah, I can create a session for this user. You can see session is created successfully for this user. Moving on, we can create a collection for our database. So I can just create a collection with this all details. What I'll do is I'll just click on 4, and this will list all the collections present, and you can see there are, as of now, one collection. So what I'll do is, okay, I'll create one more collection, that is in number 5. This will create a collection called you can see, if I go to this, I'll refresh this page, and you can see there will be one more collection created. You can see this is the collection that is created right now. What I'll do is I'll create an attribute for this collection. I'll create an attribute. Just for sake, I'll create an email attribute. So what I'll do is, I'll create an email attribute. You can see if I go to attributes, I'll see this email attribute updated. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll create a email document that I just created right now, the email attribute. I'll just click 9 to just create a document. You can see the document is created successfully. If I go to this document, I can see the document has been created, and the data has this data that I sent over just now. So yeah, this is the functionality. I can use all my functions and all to use this Appwrite SDK functions to do stuffs with in my C++ project with the Appwrite SDK. So yeah, this is the overall project walkthrough and how we created the things. And yeah, that is our submission for Hacktoberfest Appwrite Hackathon. Thank you guys.